evening, boys. Are you having a good time at the fair?
We're having a great time.
Are you?
This ride.
You're going on that? What's it called? What's it called? Crazy.
It's going to be crazy.
You've been on it before?
I've been on it before. It's a madness. It's crazy.
You wasn't sick, were you?
No, I wasn't
Get sick on it. Are you going on it?
2 OJ.
Yeah? Really?
Are you going on it?
I've been on it already.
Come on with us. Come on with
Yeah, went on it 3 times.
us. Come on with us.
No, I can't. I'm doing this. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob? Where do you live? Where?
Okay.
Here? Okay. Where do you... Torquay? Oh, sorry, I couldn't hear with the music. Where do you live?
I live in Teignmouth.
Oh, do you? Big up Teignmouth. Big up Torquay. Where do you live?
I live in Sri Lanka.
Do you? Big up Sri Lanka.
I'm on big up gang shit.
Yeah.
We're going on the ride now.
Anyway, have a good time. Nice seeing you and you boys. Let's big up, hang on. Let's big up the Funfair before you go.
Big up the Funfair.
Big up the Funfair. Come on.
Big up, big up,
Big up the Funfair.
big up.
Funfair, go on, boys. Where's you getting on? No? All right, thanks for that then. You're not getting on, no?